Hi folks, so this is another quick preview of the most recent video I've got over on Patreon. This is a winter landscape scene. So I've used a limited palette, just used burnt umber, ultramarine, raw sienna, and just scraped out a few buildings there just to see a few little sort of snow-topped cabins and outhouses and whatnot. A few darks there with a hike. So just a limited palette winter landscape painting basically is this new one over on Patreon. Patreon.com/Stephen Cronin. If you want to join me over there, watch all the latest stuff. Very much appreciate your support. You can always paint all post all your own paintings as well on the community page. That's what a lot of people like to do, and we can all see what each one of us is up to. So Patreon.com/Stephen Cronin. Watch the latest videos. 2 months free as well if you want to go for annual membership. So hopefully see you over there. Keep practicing. Happy painting, and I'll see you again soon.